So, dadako na tayo sa 1899 Malolos Constitution. Bagong lahat, ako nga pala si Rexa Maybe Turnos. Ngayon, tatalakayin natin ang Malolos Constitution. After the truce with Spain, Filipino revolutionary leaders went into exile but returned following the U.S. victory in Manila Bay in May 1898. The Philippines Revolutionary Government, led by Emilio Aguinaldo, declared independence on June 12, 1898. The Malolos Congress was convened and tasked with drafting a constitution complete by September 17, 1998. The resulting document, the Political Constitution of 1899, was approved on November 29, 1898, and promulgated on January 21, 1899, written in Spanish. It contained 39 articles influenced by the Spanish Constitution of 1812, as well as charters from Belgium, Mexico, Brazil, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Guatemala, and France. Filipino constitutional thinkers such as the Cartilla and Sangguniang Hukuman of the Katipunan also shaped into its content. Ang Malolos Constitution ang kauna-unahang republikanong konstitusyon sa buong Asya, sa ginawa at isinulat ng mga Pilipino para sa isang malaya at sariling pamahalaan. Ipinapakita nito ng seryoso ang mga Pilipino na maging isang tunay na bansa na may sariling batas at gobyerno. Bakit ito ginawa? Pagkatapos magdeklara ng kalayaan noong June 12, 1898, kailangan ng bagong republika ng Pilipinas ng saligang batas upang magkaroon ng malinaw na sistema ng pamahalaan. Popular sovereign power rests with the people. Civil rights, the liberties detailed in 27 articles. Separation of church and state, and equality of beliefs. Maipakita sa ibang bansa na may kakayahan ang Pilipinas na mamahala sa sarili at maipagtanggol ang kalayaan mula sa dayuhang pamangyarihan. Dahil ito, tinatawag ang Malolos Congressman upang bumuo ng konstitusyon.